Welcome back to this week's Coffee Cha Chings. Hi, my name is Emily. I am a top 1% Etsy print on demand seller, and each and every week I am bringing you easy tips, strategies, and answering all of your questions in these short, easy to watch videos. So for this week's Coffee Cha Chings, I wanted to do just something a little bit different. Instead of answering a question, I'm going to be sharing with you one product that I am absolutely betting on going into 2026. Each and every year, as I'm entering this new year, I always want to think about bringing in 1 to 2 different product types into my shop to be able to diversify and grow. And if you've been here a little bit, you know I love selling anything that is giftable, a little bit unique, can be customized, because those do so well on Etsy. And if you've been here, you also know that I love doing things with a bit of strategy and a lot of data, meaning looking into what Etsy buyers are wanting and also seeing where there might be gaps where there's not as many people selling. And going into 2026, I am being even more intentional about picking products that have a higher perceived value by Etsy customers, are super giftable, and that aren't being sold by every seller out there. And this year, one of those products is going to be the plates and platters from Deco Plate. Now, this specific product through Deco Plates can only be accessed through Anywhere POD, which is one of my very favorite print on demand tools. It is one that I am literally using every single day in my Etsy shop for listing products, personalizing products. But one thing that most people don't know is they also have access to some print suppliers that other places don't, that have unique products. And Deco Plate is one of those print suppliers. So, what do I love about these plates? Number one, they feel unique, right? You are not seeing these on every single search result that you are finding in Etsy. They will allow you to stand out because not as many people, number one, have access to them. And number two, because they're not kind of one of the introductory print on demand products like t shirts or sweatshirts. Number two is they can be used by Etsy buyers as both decor and also a keepsake gift. So let's say that you create a plate for a dad for Father's Day. Yes, it's functional. He can use it when he's grilling, but it can also just be a memory keepsake for dad to remember that special Father's Day or birthday. And something else I've found with these is that buyers understand paying a little bit more because this is a high quality product. This product is unbreakable. It has a beautiful matte finish to it. And also, it can go in the microwave, it can be dishwasher safe. And because of the high customization of it, people understand paying a bit more for something so unique that they can't just buy anywhere else. All right, so what am I seeing working in this space? I posted a video a few months ago about the niches I would sell these products in, and you can find that video here, and I've also linked it below for you. But just generally speaking, where are we seeing this product kind of work? And a lot of times it's in special moments, right? So think weddings, Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, things along those lines. Also, special family keepsakes. And what buyers seem to really like is that they know that this was created just for them, right? This is a special product that they can display that was created just for them in that special moment of life. And from a seller perspective, what I love about these is they can be very simple to design. You can keep them really straightforward, but you're connecting with customers in this unique way with this unique product. So, as we are diving into 2026, I am seeing more buyers on Etsy invested in these special gifts, invested in unique products that they can't buy down the street at another store, and invested in items that feel thoughtful, that feel like there is some meaning and value behind it. The great news is plates and platters check all of those boxes and more. And what I love about it, like I said, is that not everyone is doing it. And this is a great opportunity to try something different this year in your Etsy shop. So, if you're trying to figure out what products you want to sell in 2026, I encourage you to give Deco Plates a look through Anywhere POD so you can offer something unique and different in your Etsy shop. And don't forget to post your questions and comments below so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha Chings. I look forward to seeing you next week.